Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session children, we are going to do some of the question and answers from the topic that we have covered. So children, first question is, show the shape of the distance time graph for the motion when a car is moving with a constant speed. So children, whenever a car is moving at a constant speed, we know that we will obtain a straight line graph. So this will be the graph for whenever an object is moving in a constant speed. Now children, a car is parked on the side of the road. So what will be the distance time graph that you will obtain for it? So children, whenever a car is parked on a roadside, you will just get a graph which looks something like this, because the distance is not increasing. It is standing at only one particular distance. Okay. So this will be the graph for a car parked on the roadside. Next question children, next question is, we have a figure as you can see, and this is the distance time graph for the motion of two vehicles A and B. You have to tell which of them is traveling faster. Now children, you can see that the time interval is almost the same, but vehicle A is traveling greater distance even in the same time, right? At this time interval, it has traveled only this much distance, whereas A has traveled this distance. So A is traveling faster. The correct answer will be A is traveling faster. Let's move to the next question, which is true and false. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. No children, the SI unit of speed is kilometers per hour, right? So it will be false. Then children, distance covered is equal to speed multiplied by time. This is again false. This is true. Why children? Because we know the formula of speed, which is distance divided by time. So now if you have to calculate the distance, you will have to multiply speed with time. So this is true. Next question is, an odometer measures the speed of the vehicle. This is false children, because odometer measures the distance, whereas the speed is measured by the speedometer. Okay. In case of a uniform motion, the distance time graph is a straight line, and we know that whenever an object is traveling in a uniform motion, we will get a straight line graph. Okay, so this is true. Next question, name the following. A body travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. So if a body is traveling equal distances in equal interval of time, we will say it is in uniform motion. Next question, a body travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Then children, we can say it is in non-uniform motion. Next question children, the physical quantity which is calculated by total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. We know the physical quantity which is calculated by this formula is speed. So these were all of the question answers from the topic that we have covered so far. So thank you so much for your attention children.